There is a selection criteria. You will be eligible to apply for a TA position only after first semester. So the most important the basic selection criteria is the GPA. After first semester, you'll be able to understand which professor is working on which project and which project is in accordance with your career plans. And likewise, you will start following up the professor. You'll start meeting the professor and interacting with the professor. And hopefully within the end of first semester, or maybe in second semester, you might be able to fetch a RA position. The base pay scale in Massachusetts is $11. So if you are working on campus anywhere, they will have to pay you minimum $11. If you are working as a TA or RA, you might earn somewhere around $15 to $17 per hour. You'll see a lot of Indians coming every year in Northeastern. So opportunities for on-campus job are limited, and there is a lot of competition for on-campus jobs. But still, there are possibilities. There are Dunkin' Donuts. There are few restaurants on campus. The biggest on-campus job possibly is RSO. But still, it is very competitive, so everybody cannot expect an on-campus job in Northeastern University. Yes, as soon as you get your login ID and password, you'll be able to access the job on-campus jobs availability on Northeastern portal, so you can start applying for one. The most important thing is your living expenditure. As soon as you book your apartment, as soon as you sign a lease, the first thing that you need to pay is the first month rent, last month rent, a month's deposit, and if it's through some brokerage, you need to pay the brokerage fees too. So that is the first and the biggest expenditure that you need to pay before you fly to US. And for a couple of months initially, you might not have on-campus or off-campus or any job, so your living cost also had to be paid by the student. $45,000. Not that I am aware of, because Northeastern is a private university and where it has very limited financial scholarship benefits available for international students. There are plenty of these opportunities available for undergrads, but I am not aware of any grad scholarship possible.